Hi lovely people, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we shall be making vegetable stew. Before we start preparing our stew, let's go ahead and prep some of our ingredients. So this is the fish that I was steaming. This is done. We don't need to overcook this since we'll be cooking it again, so I'll take it off the fire. Here I have some fresh tomatoes that I'll be using to prepare the stew. I went ahead and chopped them, and then I removed the fish from the fire and I took out the bones as well. So after adding the fresh tomatoes, I needed to stir this from time to time to make sure it does not get burnt, and I also allowed it to fry for about 10 minutes. As we can see, the tomatoes has cooked down, so I'll now add the stock from the steamed fish, and then I'll also add in the fish and then some salt to taste. When adding the salt, we need to be careful because the stock from the fish contains some amount of salt, so we need to taste in order to make sure that the salt is not too much. So my lovely family, while recording the part I was putting in the vegetables, all of a sudden I saw something like error, and that was it. I couldn't find that clip. I searched everywhere in my phone, but I couldn't find it. I was so disappointed. As you can see, I've already added the vegetables. So I added all the vegetables at once: the cabbage, the carrot, the onions, and the green pepper. I also added some pepper to this. Yes, and that is the outcome of our stew. I think, even though I lost some of the clip, but it came out well. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and comment.